Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be doing a camera comparison between iPhone 11 and Xiaomi's latest smartphone Mi Note 10. Now we all know that iPhone 11 has a class-leading camera. On the rear, iPhone 11 has a dual camera setup, 12 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. It also features a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.4 aperture. From the rear camera, it can shoot 4K with 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, iPhone has a 12 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. It also has a wide angle in the front. And the good thing is that iPhone can record from the front camera also 4K videos with 24, 30 or 60 frames per second. Now in comparison, we have the Mi Note 10. Now this beautiful device has an awesome camera, 108 megapixel with f1.7 aperture. It has two telephoto lenses, one is 12 and one is 5 megapixel. It also has a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle, a 2 megapixel dedicated macro camera. On the front, it's rocking a 32 megapixel camera for selfies. So let's enjoy some pictures and videos from this amazing smartphone and compare with iPhone 11. In terms of the night mode pictures, iPhone is a clear winner here. The pictures are more natural with a lot of details. So this is I'm shooting in 4K 60 in iPhone 11 and 4K 30 in Mi Note 10 because it cannot record in 4K 60. Let's see the stabilization. So overall, I will say the camera quality is decent but nothing great. The videos are really not up to the mark compared to the iPhone 11. There is no comparison. iPhones are always good in video recording. In Android devices, there is only Galaxy Note 10 Plus which can give a small fight to iPhones in terms of the video recording. But yes, in terms of picture quality, this device has amazing picture quality. And some of the pictures came out really nice. The portrait mode is good. The zoom option is good, but you lose a lot of quality. The ultra wide angle is also not good, especially for videos. You lose a lot of details. For some reason, the dynamic range is not very good, especially in the videos on this camera, especially when you're using in ultra wide mode. I'm sure Xiaomi will definitely improve the camera quality in the future updates. Right out of the box, I think the camera is good, but the video camera is not at par with the high-end smartphones. Xiaomi crushes the iPhone in low-light video department. Unfortunately, iPhone's video is grainy and the footage is not even usable. On the other hand, Xiaomi videos also has a lot of noise and not so great, but between the two, definitely it captures a usable footage. Now let's see the video quality in 1080p. Now this is the video quality in 1080p and let's see how's the stabilization in both the devices. Mi Note 10 has more popping colors. I do feel that the Mi Note 10 has more saturated colors and iPhone has more neutral colors. Xiaomi also has an amazing 5x zoom feature. It does affect the quality and makes the footage noisy, but still it's a good feature added by Xiaomi. Please let me know in the comments which camera you like more for videos and picture, also in low light scenario. Kindly click over here to see the poll running for iPhone and Xiaomi's camera comparison and let me know which camera you like the most. Now, where to buy this device? I always buy my devices from this shop. You can see the number on the screen. They don't do delivery all around the globe, but definitely if you are in Dubai, this is one of the best shop for Xiaomi devices, and not only Xiaomi smartphones but also Xiaomi accessories. So go ahead and dial the number. They have the stock available. The price you get over here is much better than price you get anywhere in the world. Now, this device has not been launched in India at the moment, but soon I'm sure Xiaomi will launch it all over the world, and definitely with this kind of attractive price point and amazing specification, this is going to be one of the success story for Xiaomi. Keep watching my videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.